Today we will be investigating how do bees navigate. Bees fly far away from their hive to collect nectar for food. They can fly almost 3 kilometers away from their hive. But how do they know which direction to go to return to their colony? We will try to find out this for you today in this video. In a honeybee colony, there are between 20,000 and 80,000 female worker bees. Their main duty in the hive is to forage for nectar and pollen. Scout bees are the oldest worker bees. Their primary role is to find new food sources. They are the first bees to leave the hive. These scout bees fly in curves, searching for nectar and memorize the journey that they take. They have many characteristics to do this. All of them together combine to make up the bee's navigation system. The bees use features from the landscape around them to memorize their journey and find their way. They use objects like trees or shapes of hills to do this. They can judge the distance and time they have traveled for based on how many objects or different colors they fly by, using what is called their internal clock. Another aspect of the bee's navigation system is their solar compass. They are able to remember where things are in relation to the sun and its position. They monitor how the sun moves during their journey so that they can describe to other bees the angle of the sun and how it has changed. This gives the other bees the exact place where food can be found. But what do they do when there are clouds in the sky blocking the sun? Bees have the ability to see polarized light. Clouds stop a lot of the light from the sun shining onto the earth. That is why we as humans see a grey sky when clouds cover the sun. What we don't see are some light waves getting through the atmosphere. These waves are oscillating in certain directions. This is called polarized light. They come through in different patterns in relation to the sun and leave an imprint of the sun in the sky. Bees can see these patterns of polarized light in the sky and can calculate the position of the sun without actually seeing it. They can describe to each other the different positions of the sun as it moves, allowing them to know how long to travel for to find the flowers. They can find nectar much easier this way. You may be asking yourself, how can bees see this polarized light? They have 2 special eyes called compound eyes, each containing 6,900 tiny lenses called facets. The cells in these eyes have the ability to see polarized light. As well as this, bees' eyes are capable of seeing UV light. Both their compound eyes and their other eyes, called oculi, can see UV light. They have 3 photoreceptors in their eyes. These are structures in the eye that respond to light falling on them. Humans also have 3 photoreceptors in their eyes. Humans can see color based on red, blue and green, but bees can see color based on ultraviolet light, blue and green. They actually can't see red light, like humans can't see UV light. Bees need to see UV light so that they can recognize nectar in the flowers much easier as it reflects UV light. All of these abilities together form the navigation system and are necessary and essential to help bees find food to feed themselves and their offspring. Thank you.